Hello nearcoin holders guys, in today video I'm talking about nearcoin price prediction guys. But first of all, I recommend my free signal group on Telegram. If you want to trade with me, if you want to get a profitable signal, so must join my Telegram group. Link is in video description guys. Nearcoin 7% gains in last 24 hours in a nearcoin, and currently nearcoin is completely an uptrend guys. Just look here, continuously it's continue this uptrend guys, and still it's an uptrend guys up to $8. I'm expecting price pump in a near USDT coin guys, so I recommend guys to buy it. As you can see here, it is the major resistance level for near coin guys, so I recommend to hold near coin until the price goes to $8 guys. My personal target for near coin is $8 guys. What's your target? Please tell me in the comment box. And if you want latest update, if you want scalping signal, then join my Telegram group. Link is in video description.